Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make tickets on Canva in an easy way. If you're planning an event and want beautiful, customized tickets, Canva is a fantastic tool that makes the whole process quick and effective. So yeah, let's dive right in. First, open Canva in your web browser and log into your account. From the home page, head to the search bar at the top and type in tickets. Press enter and Canva will pull up a wide selection of pre-made ticket templates, everything from concerts to movie nights to formal events. Take your time scrolling through the options and find a template that fits the vibe of your event. When you found one you like, click on it to open up a larger preview just to make sure it matches your vision. Then click on Customize this template to start editing. Now, inside the editor, let's make it your own. Begin with the text. Click on any text box to edit details like the event name, the date, the time, and the location. Make sure everything is accurate and double check spelling before moving on. Next, adjust the look and feel. Canva lets you change fonts, colors, and layouts so the ticket matches your brand or theme. If you want to add your organization's logo, simply upload the file and drag it into your design. Play around with these elements until the ticket feels exactly right. When you're satisfied with the design, it's time to download. Go to the top right corner, click on Share or Download, and choose your preferred file type. PDF is usually the best option if you plan on printing the tickets. And that's it. You've just created a professional, customized ticket in Canva with just a few clicks. Simple, fast, and polished. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.